Hello dear, our topic today gonna be about the verb used to. Used to talks about the past habit that happened in the past or things that we did in the past but we don't do anymore now. يعني بيحكي عن عادة قديمة كنا نعملها بالماضي أو شيء كنا متعودين نعمله هلا بطلنا نساوي. So once I say used to, it means I stopped doing something that I did in the past regularly. We have some several situations about this. Let's get started in here. Used to do, this is the topic. Something used to happen. It happened regularly in the past, but no longer happens. Example for this, I used to play tennis a lot. When I was young, I used to play tennis a lot. But I don't play very often now. So it means my habits have changed between the past and now. So in the past I used to play, but now it's less or even sometimes nothing at all. Again, David used to spend a lot of money on clothes. These days he can't afford it. In the past he had no responsibilities, so he used to spend lots of money. But now, because he lacks money, he cannot pay many things for money, for clothes. He cannot pay his money on clothes. So this is how it goes. He used to spend a lot of money on clothes. اعتاد أن يصرف مالا كثيرا أو ينفق الكثير على الثياب. These days he can't afford it. وبهذه الأيام هو غير قادر على أن يدفع الكثير ثمن اللباس. In number 2, for things that were true but aren't true anymore. So this means that used to is not just about habits, it's about other things. Things that were true in the past but they are not true anymore now. الأشياء اللي كانت صحيحة بالماضي أو حقيقية أو واقعية تغيرت هلا صار في شيء بخصوصها. يعني كثير أنت بتسافر ترجع بتقول هذا المكان هون كان مثلا محل أنا بعرفه كان محل لكذا هلا تغير صار محل ألبسة أو صار مفروشات أو شيء ثاني. إذا عندي أنا تغير بالواقع اللي بيكون موجود. مثال example, this building is now a furniture shop. It used to be a cinema. Again, Nicole used to have long hair when she was a child. She used to have long hair when she was a child. We have an important note here. There is no present form of the verb used to. You cannot say I used to do. So there is no present form. It just talks about the past. When you want to use the present, you have to use the present simple or other present tenses. يعني أنا الشكل الوحيد اللي هو used to ما عندي شيء اسمه I used to بالحاضر لأنه هو حصرا بيحكي عن الماضي. وأنت بدك تعبر عن حالي بالحاضر بتعبر عنها بالحاضر البسيط أو أي شكل من أشكال الأزمنة اللي بتحكي عن الحاضر. هلا عندي أنا the normal question from form is did you used to. مثل أنا بدي أعمل سؤال بستخدم صيغة did حصرا. Did you used to? Did he used to? Like that. Okay, example about this. Did you used to eat a lot of sweets when you were a child? Did you used to? Okay, I have some important notes here. Also, the negative form is didn't used to. We just add didn't in the negative. I didn't used to do. I didn't used to smoke. For example, more examples about this. I used to smoke when I was young. But it means right away that I don't smoke now. So the past habit exclaims or represents you a negative or something different in the present. So that's about used to. So there is also some slight difference. I didn't write that on the board. Some slight difference between used to and is preceded by a form of ing or goes like is, preceded by is. I say he is used to doing. He's used to smoking. And in this situation I talk about the present. I'm talking about something that happening at the moment. يعني الفرق كبير بين used to وقت اللي بتكون لوحدها أو used to وقت اللي بتكون مسبوقة بشكل من الأشكال am is are. مثلا I'm used to doing, he is used to playing. فالحالة هي بتكون used to هي عبارة عن صفة ممكن نحن نحكي عن هالموضوع أكثر ونتوسع فيه بفيديوهات لاحقة. بتمنى تكونوا استفدتوا من الفيديو. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.